These are pieces from our class this week in Austin. A collection here at the Austin School of Flower Design. And here's the big mother. I was watching a couture video today and I thought some of this flower designing, a few artists I know, including our school, we cross over to that more, I call it couture vibe. Specialty design, handcrafted, bespoke floral design. So, if you're interested in taking classes, join us at flowerschool101.com. Look, more flowers. I'm going to be creating more stuff today at the school. flowerschool101.com. So an array from modern to contemporary to landscape. Look, it looks like a little patch of your garden blooming in your apartment. To classic centerpiece, to European designs, and Dutch Flemish, I call this. So, if you want to learn how to do this, join me. I'm Michael Gaffney. I'll see you in class. flowerschool101.com